Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I drop new material. Today I want to talk to you guys first and foremost about spreading positivity. I think in light of everything that keeps happening in the world, whether it's just racism or hatred or these mass shootings, I think that it's very, very important to be aware of your surroundings. It's so common to see people with their phones just smashed in their face and earbuds in their ears, and there's such a detachment to reality and what's really going on, whether it be because money is driving you, or your ego drives you, or who you think you are in the world is driving you, or just a mere disconnect to what you really are and the world. Whatever it is, I just think that it is so important to pay attention to what's really transpiring around you. It seems like it's more of a matter of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. And in light of Ohio and Texas, I just can't stress enough, please pay attention. Please live each day as if it was your last. It's more important at this point to forgive. Forgiveness, remember, it's for you. It helps you relieve tension. It helps you function and live your best life without harboring those ill wills and those hard emotions and those emotions that actually just drag you down. It's better to make sure that when we do see our family and our friends, we do make sure that we let them know how much we care for them and we love them. And if we are in situations that maybe didn't pan out the way that we expected, or there is tension between somebody else, just remembering never to go to bed mad. Remember that the last thing that you say to somebody could be the last thing you say to them. And do you really want the last thing you say to them to be negative? So I can't stress enough just the importance of life shifting like that from a nursing perspective, and just life, just being aware of what's been going on. Pay attention, forgive, be happy, and be there for one another, because I think we're just in a time, 2020 is 5 months away, and it just seems like we're in a time where we truly can afford to let go of the stupidity and band together for what counts. It doesn't matter at this point what number you have in your bank account and all that other stuff. What really matters at this point is humanity and being able to be there for one another, because truly when these mass shootings happen and people pass away and trauma happens, you're going to need support and love and care and people to lean on before you're going to need anything else. Hopefully this all makes sense. Hopefully this touches home for some of you. Go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And for those of you that are in Texas, Ohio, and who have been affected by these mass shootings, my thoughts are with you. I am so sorry. Have the best Sunday you could possibly have under the circumstances. We'll talk soon.